Hey, what are you watching?
Natural Habitat Shorts. They're videos with animals that talk.
Are there any dogs in it? A video about talking dogs would be really cool.
My favorite character is Batrick. Hey, we should try 3D printing him.
Okay, but first we'll need a 3D model.
I can create one using Nomad Sculpt on the iPad. I'll make the head and the ears first. It starts to look pretty cute once I add the face. I'm still a beginner, so I'm not really sure what to do with the body. But this looks okay, doesn't it?
Looks good to me. And it'll look even better once we add some color to it. Let's bring the model into the slicer. We added the colors by painting it in PrusaSlicer. Since we'll be printing it with a Prusa XL, we'll use 5 colors. The main body is gray, with pink for the ears and nose, and white for the teeth. Brown is used for the base. And we use black to recreate the Natural Habitat Shorts shading style.
Oh, looks good. Let's send it to the printer.
To maximize quality, we're printing it at 0.1mm layer height with 0.4mm nozzles.
Now we just need to remove the supports and... there! It's finished!
Wait, something feels off. Ah, that's better. If you want to print your own Batrick, we've uploaded all the files to Printables. You can find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching! See you next time on 3D Print Dogs! Oh, I get it now! His name is Batrick because he's a bat.